What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here to rant just a little bit about something that's getting on my last nerve. And I want to talk about Kentucky unemployment system. Man, our system is so screwed up. Our state has been using a computer system from the 80s. And due to COVID-19 and the influx of people on unemployment, they can't keep up with what they're doing. So, in essence, what they did was, with this $400 LWA payment, they updated the system so they can send out payments. And when they done that, they sent out almost 7,000 payments to people that didn't qualify for it. And more than half of the people that qualify for it have not got the first dime yet. It's an absolute mess. Now, you know as well as I do, if you're sending people money, they're going to have to pay it back if it wasn't meant for them to get. All I can say to Andy Beshear, good luck with that. But what that done is created another problem. It made the pool of money smaller. And there was only a certain amount of money there because they knew how many people qualified for it. And that's the people that should have got it, but they didn't. And when you try to call the unemployment people, they don't listen for nothing. I've had people post online that they've called and talked to them, and everybody gets a different story. Everybody hears something different. I can call 10 times, talk to 10 different people, and I will get 10 different answers to questions I may ask. It's like I called today, wanted to change some of my tax stuff, and the lady said, well, I don't know how to change that. She said, I don't know how. So now they got to email me a form. Now, I don't know what a form involves or how that works, but you would think it'd be as simple as changing it, right? Then I asked her about the $400 payment that I should have gotten that I haven't received yet, and she said, her words were, if you don't have it by next week, I would call back. Well, you know, that's all fine and dandy, but man, there's a bunch of people out there that's going to be calling next week wanting their money that you owe them. And it's not that, you know what I mean, guys? If the government says, you know, we're going to replace some of your wages, we're going to give you this, you're more than happy to take it, which I am. Which my unemployment pays pretty good anyway. But when I was working, I made a whole lot more than I do now. It helps bridge the gap in what I was making. Some people on enhanced unemployment were making way more from the government than working, and I wasn't that case because I made damn good money. I can wait on this money. It's not like it's killing me. I've paid my house off. I don't have any big overhead bills. The unemployment that I have coming in, it's a big help. It helps a lot. Pays the bills, puts food on the table, and thank God I've got some medical coverage from the state now, which even though I do draw a lot of employment money, I did qualify for the expanded pandemic Medicaid stuff, which is great because I went to the emergency room over a migraine that lasted 35 days. And after extensive testing, blood work, and CT scans and all that good stuff, I found out that I had developed high blood pressure, and I caught it in the early stages, and they put me on some kind of pill to help bring it down, and which it has, and I feel 100 times better. But if I hadn't had that insurance, I probably wouldn't have went because I couldn't afford a $4,000 emergency room bill, which, thank God, everything worked out like it did, and I'm going to be fine down the road, which that's good. But I don't know. It's just aggravating. I just wanted to bitch a little bit because I haven't been on here and bitched about anything here lately. Been busy doing some stuff. But there's going to be some new things coming on the channel. I purchased a 73 Plymouth Scant. It's a roller car. It doesn't have a motor, transmission, needs some interior work. The body's pretty good shape. I have a built 318 engine that I'm going to put in this car. So I will probably do a series on this car, me working on this car, getting this car ready because it's going to need some work. I want to make a really nice road car out of this thing. You know, I've been looking for years. The last car I had was a 69 Chevelle 396 car that was all original and had a 350 in it, which it was the first car I had. I was just out of high school and was getting divorced, and I didn't want the wife to take it, so I sold this car for like $300 in like '94. Stupid. I wish I'd kept that car because I really worked hard on it. But it's just something that I've been into. It's a hobby. Cars can be expensive, and that's fine. I'm in no hurry to get this thing done. Like I said, I want to do it right. And on the channel there is also a greenhouse build that I'm doing from scratch. If you guys have not seen that, go check it out. I bit my own pipes, didn't follow any blueprints, just had a general idea how a greenhouse should look from watching YouTube videos, how they do their ends and that stuff. And that's what I done. I just went ahead and made it. And it looks really good so far. I'll finish it. But guys, that's about all I have to say right now. I wanted to do some video tests and some audio tests, and I'm working on my background here. You can see I've got a few marks where the framing is. So ignore it if I'm sitting off to one side. There will be something in here to break this up. It's just experimenting and seeing what I can do. But anyways, guys, I am out of here. I got some stuff I need to do today. See you guys down the road. Enjoy the channel. Peace.